all the different snacks in there. Got some stickers. Snack crate sticker. Got a flag. That's so cool. I don't want to rip it. Do it with one hand. Nice. Interesting. Get some cards. Okay. And the nutrition bags. Cool. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this, I'm going to be trying world foods. So this box is from Denmark. It's from a company called Snack Crate. And this is actually the trial box, and it comes with a lot of stuff, like 6 things basically. The trial box is only $1.09. So I got Denmark, and then stay tuned for another video while I try another country. But yeah, this is basically the box. Comes with like stickers, and so yeah, so I'm gonna try all these things. So the first thing is called Kim's Snack Chips. It kind of looks like, what do you call it, like, trail mix, like, things. Inside, smells like a chip. It's pretty good. I have my roommate over here, gonna try them. I like it.
Pretty good.
Alright. This is, I guess, the same brand, Kim's. It's, crispy snacks covered with chocolate. I forgot this thing. It shows all of them, and it gives them descriptions of each. So the snack chips was rigid crackers dusted with plenty of savory spice in each bite. We have a feeling that you won't be able to put these snack chips down. And these smash cone-shaped corn snack wrapped in creamy milk chocolate, the best of sweet and salty. So this corn chips. I don't know how I like this. I like the chocolate. No. I don't like. I mean, they're okay. I taste a lot of chocolate, which I like. If it didn't have a lot of chocolate, I probably wouldn't like it. I don't really like that corn flavor. And I don't like popcorn either, and kind of tastes like that. Do you like it?
It's not terrible. It tastes like a bugle with chocolate on it.
What is that? A bugle?
Yeah.
What is that?
It's like an American chip thing.
That look like those?
Mm-hmm.
I've never had those, yeah. Okay. This one is banana, which with, guys like read that, must be like their language. It's like scum med banasmag og mag chocolade. Yeah, I've never had those. This one is fruity banana flavored marshmallow coated in decadent dark chocolate, weirdly addictive. I like banana. Oh, hello. A marshmallow banana thing. Trying to rip it. I don't hate it. It's weird. It tastes marshmallowy, but it's banana. And I like the chocolate.
It's pretty good.
Yeah.
It's surprised.
They say weirdly addictive. Okay, next, another chocolate bar. This one has almonds in it, I'm pretty sure. Gold bar Dronning Mandler. And again with this Denmark language, I can't read, but Denmark's finest milk chocolate combined with crisp sugar-coated almonds, crunchy and sweet. Oh. Bars.
Pink.
It's pink. It tastes like Hershey's almonds bar. Hershey almonds bar.
It's really crunchy. The chocolate's good.
Okay. So far so good with all these. And the corn chips are.
I like them.
This one, which I'm really excited for. A dolphin, which are my favorite animals. A fluffy marshmallow texture in the shape of an adorable dolphin. A fun and sweet way to snack. Probably for kids. Chicken. Oh. Oh my gosh, that smells really good. Oh. I mean.
Not what I expected it to look like.
Okay. I'm gonna have its tail. It smells so good. Oh. It's dry on top.
I don't like that.
It's kind of bland.
It tastes fruity.
Yeah. It smells really good. Smell inside this. I like the way it smells.
It tastes like that, but like really like toned
I
down.
wasn't expecting it to be like, it's kind of like hard. I don't know if it just goes, it's been on it for a while. For all of them were like that. Okay, already the last one because it's just the trial box. And so this is actually a subscription box, but of course I canceled the subscription. But yeah, so you can get different ones, and then they show like even more foods that you can get with more money you spend. But last but not least is Yankee Original, which I'm excited for because it says it's the oldest chocolate bar in Denmark. Toffee and nougat covered in rich milk chocolate. So, it looks like chocolate bar from here. Here, meaning the US. Alright, there's some caramel or something in there. That's good. Probably like that.
Looks like a Three Musketeers mixed with
Oh, you're
a
right.
Snickers. Pretty good.
Good. Okay. So, I don't know. Which one was my favorite?
The banana?
Okay, that's what I was gonna say. I love like anything chocolate, so I like all these chocolate things. These chips were a lot better than I thought. Marshmallow thing is alright. The chocolate, these were good. It just tasted like something from here. I guess both of us are liking this banana thing. They say weirdly addictive. It's really interesting. It's like a banana marshmallow covered in chocolate. I give this 10 out of 10. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed this video of me trying all these snacks, and stay tuned for another one. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!